Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make jalapeno pickles. Start by sterilizing jars and gathering fresh jalapenos, vinegar, water, kosher salt, sugar, and spices like garlic and coriander. Slice jalapenos to desired thickness, keeping seeds for more heat or removing them for milder pickles. Heat brine until salt and sugar dissolve, pour over jalapenos, seal jars, and refrigerate or process for shelf stability. Heat the brine gently to dissolve salt and sugar, and to bloom spices for better flavor absorption. Use a 1:1 ratio of vinegar to water for a balanced tang that also preserves safely. Keep kosher salt and white sugar measurements simple so you can scale batches later. Try 1 tablespoon salt and 1 tablespoon sugar per cup of liquid as a starting point. Let brine cool slightly before pouring into jars to protect freshness and texture. Pack the jalapeno slices neatly to avoid trapped air pockets and to keep crunch intact after pickling. Leave about 1-2 inch headspace when pouring brine to allow for expansion and proper sealing if you plan to water bath the jars. For quick pickles, chill in the fridge and enjoy after 24 hours. For longer storage, process jars in a boiling water bath using recommended times for your jar size and elevation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.